Mathaa manini mbere ya githurano kinene gitabanitio, kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka niyo IEBC ni augite mehariria ma githurano kia muthenya wa ruciu ni marikitie gutirihwo. Akiaria na andiki mohoro mwena wa Bomas, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya Wafula Chebukati ni erire Kenya ati githurano ni gatabanio hatari mihingisha o yothe.
Since we took over office as new commissioners on the 18th of January this year, the Secretariat and the Commissioners have been burning the midnight oil to ensure that all measures are in place for a free, fair and credible election. The IEBC pleads with Kenyans to turn out in large numbers across the country to exercise their democratic right and ensure the success of the electoral process.
Chebukati augite ni mehariirie kuhurana na mathina o mothe maria mangiumira muthenya wa ruciu.
The Commission has identified some challenges that may be posed on the polling day, that's tomorrow, and we have set out mitigating measures as follows. Queues. In preparation for this election, our focus has been to ensure that the long waits in queues are limited. Each polling station has a maximum of 700 voters. To further enhance the experience of voters at polling stations, we have provided clerks dedicated to queue management and guiding voters to the right queues. We wish to remind you that we are using the first names of individuals on the queues.
Hamwe noguo, Chebukati ni oritie muikia o wothe agakua indo iria ciendekanaga hari wikia wa kura taifa day kana passports.
To ensure that your ballot paper is stamped at the back with an IEBC stamp. Remember that all IEBC ballot boxes are transparent and clearly marked IEBC.
Kugena kuo ngwataniro ya NASA nigite na igutha inene thutha wa igoti gutianiria cira uria mambikite makienda arumiriria o magetikirio kurangira kura ceceni-ini cia gwikia kura. Kuringana na itua riri gutire mundu wothe witikiritio guikara ceceni ya wikia wa kura wona arikia mihango ya gwikia kura. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njuguna Wang'ang'a.